Hey guys, today we're going to change the front brake pads on this 2005 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do, break loose our lug nuts, jack up our vehicle, and then take the wheel off. Okay, now we need to pop these two caps off right here, and there are T47 Torx bolts in the back of these, and you'll take both of those out. Those slides you're taking out look like this, and they slide out kind of like not super easy. You kind of got to twist and slowly pull, and they'll come out like that. Next thing we got to do is work this wire clip loose. So what I'm doing is taking like a really tight punch or pointy punch, or a screwdriver would work, and drive it in here and trying to pop this out. When they are down like this a long ways, they tend to rust in there. You just got to work on them. Alright, so you might be able to get away with just getting one out there. Once you have that, you can kind of twist and pull it out like that. You want to be careful not to break these if the brake pads you got didn't come with new ones, because obviously you need to reuse them. So at this point, we're just going to slide the caliper off. And we'll set it like that. Alright, now we're going to push our caliper back in like this with this tool. I'll have this tool, brake pads and stuff listed down in the description below for some Amazon affiliate links if you want to check those out. Now we're just going to pull this old pad out. You can see there's some clips in there. We will pop our new ones back in and slide it back over top of the rotor here and put the things back together the way we took them apart. Now stick this clip in here, grab some pliers or something, and pop that wire back in that hole. Now we're going to clean these slides off, put some caliper grease on them, and then stick them back in. Okay, now push these caps back in. And then the last and important thing that you need to do is go in and push your brake pedal down multiple times, probably until the brake pads actually clamp down, because you push that piston all the way back in. You need to push it back until it's tightened back up, and then go do the other side. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching.